get windy.
All right, so I got my head unit here. This is the JVC KD TAC T91 MBS. It's a marine grade unit, and puts out some awesome sound. Has a great equalizer, high voltage pre-outs. Definitely a quality unit. Waterproof case there. So let me show you my amp. Now I apologize because I got to put the tower down to open it, but let me just kind of squeeze in here. Boom, there's the amplifier right there. Rocking the Rockville S6. It's a 6-channel amplifier. All right, got it all hooked up to my head unit there. Up here, I got 2 tower speakers, and I did a video on these. Actually, the last video I did were on these puppies here. They're 8-inch woofers with the tweeter in the middle there. They're by Rockville, and they actually have either a red or blue LED flashing light that flashes to the bass of the music. You get to choose the color and the housing there. So as you can see, I got 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, those are Polk MM1 speakers. They are 6.5 inch, and they are crystal clear. Love them. And then over here we got an MB Court 10-inch subwoofer. Perfect location for it. It kind of fills up that empty space there, gives much needed bottom end. So that's the system, ladies and gentlemen. And got to do a shout out to my main build right there. Let's do a quick look here. Oh, if you're new to my channel, 3 ZV515s in the back of my H2. Shout out to Team SPL Freaks right there. Let's go inside, see what we got. Boom. 2 Cyber 12Ks, Crescendo Encore 12K. Got the 3 ZV5s back there. Some custom door pods. Got some goodness there. Custom tweeters. Tablet mount. Doubled in the dash. It's good stuff. Here's the distance test of the boat. That is loud. I can barely go back any further. Woo! All right, that's it. All right, y'all, well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Man, this system just absolutely cranks. And I tell you what, especially when it's on the water, you can hear that thing across the other side of the lake. So Definitely representing out here. Sounds great. Make sure to stay tuned so you don't miss out how to take your ride or your boat to the next level. Let's get loud.